Since you're a physician, it's a perfect topic for you. So researchers at Columbia University have deployed a microscopic implantable chip for physiological monitoring. It has a total volume of less than 0.1 millimeters. To put that in perspective, the chip is as small as a dust mite and can only be viewed using a microscope. The goal of this research was to create a device that can be injected using a standard hypodermic needle, and which then beams their readings wirelessly to external displays such as patient monitors and smartphones. The Columbia team used externally applied ultrasound through a conventional ultrasound image to power and communicate with the implant. And we're getting to that point. We're getting to that point where we can actually have things that get injected into the bloodstream that report things back. I mean, what's the promise of that kind of technology, do you think?
So this is remote patient monitoring on steroids, I guess. I mean, this is, well, or miniaturized to the nth degree. The device that's in that article is measuring temperature, which is one use case that's interesting, but probably not where the biggest clinical need is. We probably diabetes and glucose monitoring is the one that is the use case that would get the most attention right now. So when they have the ability to have something like that that's monitoring your glucose in real time and reacting, and it has to be incredibly accurate, but then adjusting your insulin levels, that's going to be really valuable.
Do we need to make it any smaller than this? This is incredibly small.
No, I think it matters where it goes and its ability to not get attacked by the immune system and be seen as a foreign body and kicked out. Those are going to be the challenges, is getting it to be implanted and stable. Now, they've solved that we have other implantable devices that do just fine. But you're talking something that's so small, you're not retrieving this out again. Once it's in, and you don't want it floating around somewhere where it doesn't belong.